And welcome back, Math Wizards, you fabulous third graders of Virtual Room 502. Let's get started with our lesson today. Our objective is we're going to solve mixed word problems involving all four operations. Well, what are all four operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, with grams, kilograms, liters, and milliliters given in the same units. All right, so that's our objective today, is to solve these word problems with units of measurement and using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But first we start off with our fluency practice, and it's time to be the copycats. I gotta get an ink pad for my poor copycat. All right, so your copycats, we're gonna talk about halfway on the number line, and we're gonna go with those vertical number lines again. So you are copycats, and you're copying right along with me. Okay, there's our number line. Let me zoom out just a little bit, and we're going to label this 0 and 10. Okay, so what I want you to think about is what's the halfway point between 0 and 10? Halfway. We got 10 fingers, right? What's half? If I go halfway from this hand to this hand, think about it. Yeah, you know what it is. It's going to be 5, right? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's the halfway point, the midpoint, it's also called, in case you were wondering. So you know this, I hope, that 5 is the midway point between 0 and 10. If you need $10 to go to the movies and you got 5, you're halfway there. Got to mow another lawn to get that other $5. Not too many lawns in Anza, but maybe you can find one. All right, anyways, let's keep moving on. We're going to make another vertical number line. I know this was very exciting yesterday when we started making these. This time around, though, it's going to be 30 to 40. 30 to 40. What do we think is the midway point between 30 and 40? Well, let's find out. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. What do we think the midway point is? Well, if you said 35, you're absolutely right. Watch. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 5 there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, and 5 there. So 35 is the midway point between 30 and 40. Let's keep on rolling. Make another vertical number line. And go ahead and pause the recording. You can always pause the recording if I'm going too fast. Just hit pause. Pause. Here we go. We're going to do 60 and 70. And so what's the midway point between 60 and 70? You guys are so brilliant. I bet you don't even need to make the little tick marks. You probably just go, halfway between 30 and 40 is 35. So halfway between 60 and 70 must be, ding, 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 65. Let's try another one. And then we'll save the toughest one, I think, for last. We're going to start off with, let's do 80 and 90. Okay, so we know that 35 is the midway point between 30 and 40. We know that 65 is the midway point between 60 and 70. We know that we don't know yet. What's the midway point between 80 and 95? I think it's probably going to be 85. Don't you agree? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 on each side. It's the midway point or the halfway point. And now, to challenge you, the midway point between 10 and 20. Think about it. Well, let's make some tick marks. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 must be the midpoint between 10 and 20. Well, I hope you enjoyed this fluency practice portion of Eureka Math in the Morning with Mr. Leggett. We're going to continue on with our concept development. But first, I want you folks to take a nice little brain break, maybe do some deep breathing, get the brain filled with oxygen and ready for the concept development. And thank you so much. Come on back within 2 minutes, okay? Remember, you've got to be responsible for your own learning during these videos.